that's the kit I chose. It's the Sealey TP9312. And I only chose that because I had it in stock at Euro car parts for, I think, £30. And the reason I had to buy it was because of my T25 there, the oil sump plug I've had to do some repair work on it, and I finally got it to seal on the back of the engine, and I am never going to take it out ever again. So hence the reason why I've bought one of these. So you can probably see the pump working. For 35 quid, it didn't work before, and I think that was all down to the fact that I hadn't got the oil warm enough so it didn't flow. It's been running for 1 minute 47 now, and it's already chucked out about 1.5 litres. It seems to be going really well. You can even see. Now I don't think this will take all of it out, if I'm being brutally honest with you, because we are just, it's deceptive, we're just under 4 litres there. But I think what you're going to have to do is sit here and keep threading this in and out until you can get the last dregs of the oil. I can't imagine it's going to get every single last drop out of the engine, because that would be ridiculous. It's not a bad bit of kit. Right, so it's been running for about 8 minutes, and it's this particular Beetle's got 4.7 litres. Now, can you hear the tone change? So you can see some of the, hopefully you can see some of the fluid coming through, but the thing to do, there you go, that change means that it's actually getting more oil coming up through here and into there, and that's what you've got to try and, but to be honest, I don't know what I'm, we've still got about 1 litre to go, I think, so how impactful this is. So it's taken probably about 15 minutes, and it's got, I mean, to be brutally honest with you, it's probably got most of the oil out, because there was, on the dipstick, it was only registering half anyway, halfway up, so it's not going to have its full 4.7 litres as the book says. So I would probably say that actually, in the big grand scheme of things, that's not a bad little device for 30 quid, and it's taken 15 minutes to get that out. I'd argue it takes me more than that to get everything up in the air, put it on the ramps, take the bottom plate off, and everything else. So I'm of the mindset that's a good little bit of kit. And as a reminder, if you wanted to get something similar, there it is. It's a Sealey model number TP9312. You can get the other ones from other providers that are a little bit cheaper, but I've gone with Sealey because they tend to be the better brand. But looking at this, I think that's well worth the money. Now all I've got to do is just try and get the oil.